this is Bobby Flash, and this is a video response to Pimp Monk X.
Hello, what you need is a stalker. That's right, I am a stalker, and I am for hire.
You're a stalker for hire, but I'm a stalker for free. I won't visit you in your real life, but I will watch your YouTube videos. I will push up your view count, and you will never know who gave you these 100 views. I will read your comments. I will not write a hater comment, but I will secretly read all the comments people wrote to you. That's what I do. I'm a YouTube stalker. I check out your channel. I explore your life in all its ugly details. Yes, that's right. And then I will enjoy it. I'm such a pervert.
Stalkers are sexy!
And don't you try to stalk me, because I am protected by my tinfoil hat. Bye bye for now, the YouTube stalker.